Today, as we were discussing grammar revision assignment, and we are to discuss second question, fifth sentence. Yes, she realized her mistake. Yes, Ramit. She at once realized her mistake. Before main verb. Adverb is placed before main verb. But there is any other way how to write this sentence? At once she realized her mistake. But in this case, you will put comma after at once. At once she realized her mistake. Okay? Next is, we are invited to parties at the weekends. ऐसे बोलो. We are often invited to the parties at the weekends. Yes, we are often invited to the parties in the weekends. So, helping verb के बाद. After the helping verb, before the main verb. Clear? Is it clear to everyone? Bete, your response means a lot to me. If you are not responding, I cannot get whether you are getting my point or not. At least respond. Yes, no भी नहीं बोल सकते हो. She has done everything. She has been a soldier. हाँ जी बोलो. She has been a soldier. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में तो ये नहीं एडजस्ट होना है. बोलो. Yes, she has even been a soldier. देखो बेटे, there is combination of two verbs. So adverb is placed in between the verbs. Okay? Before main verb, after helping verb, and between two verbs. ये तो सबको याद है. Very simple formula. Now next is. Sorry. I have finished painting the house. I have almost finished painting the house. I have almost finished painting the house. Again, there is a combination of two verbs, have and finished. So adverb is placed in between both of them. Hanji bete, students sitting online, kindly write the answers in chat box, so that I can get to know whether you are getting my point or not. Please write the answers in chat box. Could you switch the light? Could you switch off the light? Or could you? Yes, could you switch the light off? Switch off. हमें सबको पता है कि बंद करने को हम क्या कहते हैं? Switch off. Switch on, switch off. Now next, we go to our native place in summer. Right answer, Tanishinder, Sasha. We usually go to our native place in summer. before main verb. Your swing machine needs some oil. Just needs some oil. Again, before main verb. Saisha, right answer. Tanishinda, right answer. It will rain this evening. It will probably rain this morning. But this is the easiest topic. You are to learn only 3 to 4 things. Before main verb, after helping verb, between two verbs, and sometimes we put the adverb in the end or in the beginning, depending on the situation, so that to emphasize those words. Okay? So this is again a combination of two verbs. So adverb is placed between both of them. Now, choose the correct option. We saw dash animals at the zoo. Many. Why many? You have to give me explanation also. Because many. Animals, many is used for countable and animals is countable. So we will say many. जो भी मुझे आंसर देगा विद रीजनिंग एंड विद एक्सप्लेनेशन देगा. राइट आंसर तानिशिंदर. काव्या राइट आंसर बेटे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज आई टेक डैश शुगर विद माय कॉफी. बाय because a little is used for quantity. You cannot say a few coffee. Whenever we put coffee in our milk, we don't count it. हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते वो कॉफी ग्रैन्युअल्स. उसका पाउडर बना होता है and it is always quantitative, not in number. Next is, do you know dash of these singers? Any of these singers, because any is used in case of negative as well as interrogative. Negative and interrogative. Some is used for positive and polite request. Some is used for affirmative and polite request. Would you give me some sugar please? Would you give me some apples please? तो some जो है, any और some both are used for number as well as for quantity. दोनों के लिए दोनों use होते हैं, but any is used in case of negative and interrogative, whereas some is used in affirmative and polite request. Beta, you need to remember all these things. Next is, the child put dash sand into the bucket. Some. It is not countable. हो भी तो उसके साथ भी हम some use कर सकते हैं. But see the option, it is some and many. हाँ, पर many नहीं आ सकता because we cannot use many with sand. Next is, I have dash interest in classical music. Little. Okay, bete, why don't less? Why not less? Why not less? अच्छा, मुझे बताओ, what is the comparative degree of little? Right answers, bete. Those who are giving in the chat box, answers in the chat box, those are giving right. Hanji, little, less, least. So I hope less is used when two things are compared. जहां then भी आ जाए, यही होता है ना. We use comparative degree only there. तो यहाँ हम अगर little less की बात करेंगे तो I have little interest in classical music. I don't have dash of free time today. A lot of. Why a lot of? हाँ जी, मेरे पास ज्यादा फ्री टाइम नहीं है। हम जब हिंदी में भी बात करेंगे, मैं ये कहूंगी मेरे पास थोड़ा फ्री टाइम नहीं है, हम क्या कहते हैं, मेरे पास ज्यादा फ्री टाइम नहीं है। सो इफ वी ट्रांसलेट इट इनटू इंग्लिश तो वो अ लॉट ऑफ ही बनता है। पीपल दीज डेज आर बाइंग डैश न्यूज़पेपर। Fear. Why? Because it is used for number. न्यूज़पेपर को हम काउंट करते हैं, वन पीस ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर कितना सेट हमारे पास आता है, हम उसको मेजर नहीं करते, वी डोंट वे इट और वी डोंट मेजर इट, तो फ्योर आएगा। आई जस्ट कांट गो एनी वाई फार्दर। Farther is used for distance and further, yes, in advance or additional information. बेटे अगर हमें मीनिंग्स पता होंगे only then we can fill the right option. So अगर हम ये कर देंगे कि I can't go any further, so that will be totally wrong because here we are not talking of distance. अगर हम further use करते हैं, now next is I prefer the dash offer to the former one. It is letter. When we are talking of one more than one subject, ये मैंने आपको subject verb agreement में भी बताया था, और मैंने तभी आपको बोला था कि बेटे please I mean remember this word because we are going to use it somewhere else also. So दो चीजें होती हैं, एक former और दूसरा letter. So former means suppose we are talking about two subjects at a time. So जो पहला subject होगा that is former subject, और जिसकी हम बाद में बात करेंगे वो होगा later subject. And what is the meaning of later? I go there later. मैं बाद में वहां जाऊंगा. Now next is Karla was disappointed that her bag held the dash coins. Fear. Why fear? Coins is countable. Least is used for quantity. Coins को हम quantity नहीं count करते हैं. इसको हम I mean this is countable thing. So coins will be fewer. Letter, farther, fewer as newspapers are countable. Right answers bete. Right answer Saisha, Tanishinder, good. Hanji, next is active passive voice. First is the police has caught the thief. First of all, tell me which tense it is. कौन सा tense है? Present perfect. Which tense is it? Present perfect. तो बेटे जब हम present perfect को passive में convert करते हैं, which form of verb do we use? Plus Bean. Mr. Bean सबको पता है. Mr. Bean एक सीरियल आता है ना? So Mr. Bean is always perfect. Mr. Bean is always perfect and he always accompanies perfect tenses. तो ये सबने याद रखना है whether it is past perfect, और प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट और फ्यूचर परफेक्ट, इनके साथ मिस्टर बीन ने आना ही आना है. क्लियर? विदाउट मिस्टर बीन योर सेंटेंस इज नॉट परफेक्ट. To make your sentence perfect, you have to add Mr. Bean in it. So the police has got the thief. The thief has Hanji, object becomes the thief. Then he perfect है तो साथ में been आ गया. The thief has been. Present है तो has been, have been आएगा. Past है तो had been आएगा. And if it is future, will have been. So the thief has been caught by the police. Very simple. The thief has been caught by the police. Kavya, Tanish, the right answer. Next is Suman bought a gift for me. I have bought a gift. बेटे देखिए. हाँ जी. Suman bought a gift for me. So there are two objects. A gift is direct object and me is indirect object. So we can start our passive voice using any of the objects. So if I use a gift as my subject, please make the sentence. A gift was bought by given. Sorry. A gift was bought for me by Suman. By बाद में आता है बेटे. ठीक है? By हम end में रखते हैं. And if I use this object, me becomes I के साथ क्या आएगा? Was. बेटे सबसे पहले देखिए bought is the second form. Second form means simple past tense. In simple past में we use was or were. So it is I was bought what? By Suman. Step by step चलोगे तो कोई problem नहीं आएगी. Don't be in a hurry always. हाँ जी. दोनों तरह ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम, कोई बात नहीं. Now third sentence, the child was watering the plants. The plants were being watered. वैसे बेटे I need not to explain so many things, but still it is my duty to tell everything with each of the sentence. हाँ जी, हमारे sentence में was were ing था, active में was there, was were and ing. So in passive voice also there should be was were plus ing. Yes बेटे, any problem? So in passive voice there should be was were plus ing. अब क्या था? The child was watering. वहां subject था the child, जिसके साथ हमने was use करना था. But now our subject is changed to plural. It has become the plants. So can we write was with the plants? No, we cannot write was with the plants. So we are to change our helping verb to were. तो were तो आ गया, साथ में मैंने आपको कहा है ing भी होना चाहिए. were ing तो नहीं आ सकता. were ing तो कोई बात नहीं बनती है. तो ing will come with B. That becomes bean. Now watering. इसमें से root word क्या है? Water. And what is the third form of water? Water. And the child goes at the end. So our answer becomes the plants were being watered by the child. They do not know us. They do not know us. First of all, which tense is it? Simple present. Do not simple present में आता है. Do not, does not. So that means जब हम इसका passive बनाएंगे तो उसमें is am are आना चाहिए. यही है. Present indefinite में is am are आना चाहिए. उसमें do not, does not नहीं आएगा. This is only and only for the negative and interrogative sentences in active voice, not in passive voice. Passive में कभी भी do not, does not use नहीं होता है. Clear? So us is the object. When it will become subject, what it will be? We are. Now मैंने जैसे पहले कहा is am are आएगा तो we are not known. बेटे one thing, in sentences में जहां no की बात होती है, there we don't use by, we use some another preposition that is to. We are not known to them. हम उनको नहीं जानते हैं. यहाँ द्वारा वाली बात नहीं हो रही है. Means हम उनके known नहीं हैं. हम उनके द्वारा नहीं जाने जाते हैं. Does not make sense. अगर आप हिंदी में भी बोलो तो there are 1 to 2 cases where we don't use preposition by. One such case is one more such case is there. Let me tell you that also. Okay, this jug contains water. Make it specify. Water is contained by this jug. अब यही क्या हो गया ना, by this jug. जैसे मैंने आपको कहा नो वाले में टू आता है तो कंटेन वाले में इन आता है. कौन सी प्रपोजिशन आएगी? इन. वाटर इज नॉट कंटेन्ड इन दिस जग. बाय दिस जग नहीं. जग के द्वारा पानी कंटेन नहीं किया जाता. हिंदी में कभी ऐसे बोलते हो, इस जग में पानी कंटेन नहीं किया जाता. में आता है तो में के लिए भी यूज इन. Only 2-3 cases are there. Please don't be worried कि अब ये preposition में, oh sorry, voice में नई चीज क्या आ गई है. नया कुछ नहीं है. This is just a common sense. हर जगह by नहीं लगता. Only 1 to 2 situations are there where we use to or this in. Now next sentence. The potter is carrying the luggage. Being or was being? Is being. The luggage is being carried by the potter. I don't think I need to give explanation. The luggage is being carried by the potter. Right answer. The luggage is being carried by the potter. The plants were being watered by the child. Right answers Tanishinder, Kavya. बस वही एक दो बच्चे आंसर्स देते हैं, बाकी सोए रहते हैं. Now next is, how will you cook food? How will you cook food? Food be cooked by you. पहले इसका बनाओ. You will cook food. क्या आंसर है? The कुछ नहीं ऐड करना. Food will be cooked by you. Now my sentence is, how will you cook food? So that means I have to start my passive voice from WH word, या H, इसको भी WH word ही बोल देते हैं, how. So that means my passive will start from how. सबको पता है interrogative passive जो होते हैं, they starts with either WH words or helping verbs. अगर WH वाला हमारा एक्टिव होगा तो पैसिव भी WH से शुरू होगा. अगर do, does, did, is, am, are, was, were, has, have वाला होगा तो हमारा पैसिव उन्हीं हेल्पिंग वर्ब से शुरू होगा. सो हाउ आ गया. नेक्स्ट फूड आगे आएगा, यही आएगा. फूड विल बी कुक्ड बाय यू. हाउ फूड will be cooked by you. Is it right answer? Question mark. सिर्फ हाउ आगे डाल दिया, बाकी तो जो हमने एफर्मेटिव में बनाया वो बन गया. Is it right answer? No, it is not right. अब इसमें क्या ट्विस्ट है बेटे, ध्यान से सुनेंगे सारे. आपने यहाँ नोटिस किया will is in the beginning. सब्जेक्ट से पहले will आया, तो हम भी क्या करेंगे, सब्जेक्ट से पहले will ले आएंगे. तो ये बन जाएगा how would be cooked by you. Now this is the right answer. In interrogative passive voice, helping verb is always before the subject. Means if it is a combination of two verbs, तो will और be के बीच में आपका subject है वो insert हो जाएगा. Am I clear? Yes. How will be food cooked by you? How food will be cooked by you? Then Krishiv made it right. How will be नहीं आएगा बेटे. That is again wrong. आप will के साथ be नहीं लगाओगे. will के बाद subject, subject के बाद be. यही एक दो जो चीजें ट्विस्टिंग है, इसी से आपके सारे मार्क्स चले जाएंगे. How will food be cooked by you? Not how will be. That is again wrong. जितना गलत ये है उतना गलत वो भी है. will be दोनों को आगे नहीं लेके आना. सी एक्टिव सेंटेंस सिर्फ will को आगे लेके आना है. be बाकी सारा पीछे रहेगा. क्लियर? हाँ कहते हैं ना, हम कहते हैं. Now next is, who is calling me? Who is changed into by whom? सिर्फ ये who ही है जो by whom में change होता है. What remains what, which remains which, how remains how, whose remains whose. Only who is changed into by whom. By whom I am being called. Is it right? No. am पहले आना है. मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया कि जो helping verb है that will always be in the beginning. By whom am I being called. is नहीं यूज करना. is नहीं यूज करना. I के साथ do we use is? No. We always use am with I. The students will have done their homework. The homework will have been done by the students. The homework will have been अब देखिए फिर मिस्टर बीन आ गए परफेक्ट में. will have been done by the students. अगर हम ऐसे लिख दें, students homework will have been done by them, is it wrong? It is also right. अगर हम सब्जेक्ट को आगे मेंशन कर देते हैं वो भी राइट है. Students' homework will happen done by them. Both are right. He teaches us English. We are taught English by him. Yeah, English is taught to us by him. Any of the object can be used. They hit the ball. बेटे is or was both are right क्योंकि hit की तीनों forms hit होती हैं. Hit, hit, hit. So there is no clarity whether it is present tense or past tense. So you can use both the verbs. The ball is hit by them. The ball was hit by them. अगर singular होता he hit the ball तो पता होता कि past में है. He hits the ball. तो उसके साथ s लगा होता तो हमें पता चल जाता कि वो प्रेजेंट में. I hope everything is clear to everyone. Bye for now, bete.